Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. We want to buy multiple items from the same seller. Bundles help you save on shipping and sometimes even get more discounts. It's perfect for buying outfits or even multiple pieces at once. So in today's small tutorial we're gonna go through how to actually buy a full bundle on Vinted. Fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. So first and first, if you are using Android or even iOS, don't really worry about it, it's the same steps. All you're gonna do is open your Vinted app, log in using your email address and password to access the full dashboard. So next, for example, we're gonna go to some random seller page. For example, we're gonna go through this one. Okay, then go all the way to create bundle. So tap on it, then select the items you want, then send the bundle request. Wait for the seller confirmation, then complete the payment once fully approved. As for some tips, you can message the seller about possible bundle discounts, then review shipping costs before paying even. As for a pro tip, buying bundles increases your negotiation power and may unlock better deals even. So keep it in mind. For example, if you like multiple items from one seller, it's pretty a good idea to select a bundle and buy multiple items, or even screenshot them and send them to her or to him, so you can get a small discount if available. And that's it. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.